Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel Cjspokenenglish. Okay, and every day we translate Odia to English. Same like that today also we translate. Okay, and if we every day practice in English, definitely we can speak very fluently in English. Okay, in English like a language, every day practice it. Okay, so let's start. I am going to translate it. Okay, ମୁଁ ଏହାକୁ translate କରୁଛି ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଇଂଲିଶ କେମିତି ମୁଁ translate କରୁଛି. Okay, ଯେଉଁମାନେ ମୋ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଲାଇକ୍ ସେୟାର ଆଣ୍ଡ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ. ମୁଁ ଏଭ୍ରିଡେ ଏମିତି ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ୱାର୍ଡ଼ ବା ସ୍ମଲ୍ ୱାର୍ଡ଼ ଆଣିକି ମୁଁ ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁଥିବି. ଓକେ, ସୋ ଲେଟ୍ସ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ. ତଳେ ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼. ଓକେ, lay down. ଓକେ, and next ଏହା କାମ କର. It's work. Okay, it's work. ଏହା କାମ କର. It's work. Okay, it's work. And ତୁମେ ମଧ୍ୟ କଣ? You too. Okay, you too. ଚାଲ ଯିବା. Let's go. Okay, ଚାଲ ଯିବା. Let's go. ମୁଁ କରିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ. I can't. Okay, I can't. ମୁଁ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବି. I will pay. ମୁଁ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବି. Okay, pay. pay. କେତୋଟି? How many? Okay, how many? ଏହା ମଜାଦାର. It's fun. Okay, ଶୀଘ୍ର କର. hurry up. H-U-R-R-F. Okay, hurry up. Okay, hurry up. जल्दी करो. रास्ता छाड़. Make away. Okay, so guys, every day ଆମେ ଏମିତି practice କଲେ definitely और English ଟା improve ହବ. ତଳେ ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼. lay down. ଏହା କାମ କର. it's work. ତୁମେ ମଧ୍ୟ. you too. ଚାଲ ଯିବା. let's go. ମୁଁ କରିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ. I can't. ମୁଁ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବି. I will pay. କେତୋଟି? how many? ଏହା ମଜାଦାର. it's fun. ଶୀଘ୍ର କର. hurry up. Okay, hurry up. ରାସ୍ତା ଛାଡ଼. make away. Okay, and I will repeat also it. ତଳେ ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼. lay down. ଏହା କାମ କର. it's work. ତୁମେ ମଧ୍ୟ. you too. ଚାଲ ଯିବା. let's go to play. let's go to party. let's go to study. Okay, you can use like this. Okay, ମୁଁ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବି. I will pay the money. You can say I will pay and I will pay the money also you can use. Okay, କେତୋଟି? how many? ଏହା ମଜାଦାର. it's fun. ଶୀଘ୍ର କର. hurry up. Okay, ରାସ୍ତା ଛାଡ଼. make away. so guys, is this most important video. every day if you practice it, definitely your English very fluently you can speak also very good. Okay, so I repeating this video. look the blackboard carefully. Okay, ତଳେ ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼କୁ lay down बोलते. Okay, ଏହା କାମ କର. it's work. ତୁମେ ମଧ୍ୟ. you too. me too. Okay, ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ. ତୁମେ ମଧ୍ୟ. ଯାଇ like that use. ଚାଲ ଯିବା. let's go. ମୁଁ କରିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ. I can't. you can't. he can't. you can use or make like this sentence also. Okay, ମୁଁ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବି. I will pay. you will pay. Okay, କେତୋଟି? how many? ଏହା ମଜାଦାର. it's funny. Okay, it's funny. ଶୀଘ୍ର କର. hurry up. ରାସ୍ତା ଛାଡ଼. make way. ମୁଁ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଅଛି. କ'ଣ କହିବା? on the way. Okay, like you use every day. so see you next video. my name is Chandan Jani and my channel name is Cjspokenenglish. if you want to free learn in English, do subscribe to my channel and share to your friend. Okay, bye. See you soon.